welcome back to my channel. So today, me and my friend Ahmed will be unboxing the new MacBook Pro. So I'm just going to move my microphone around here. So we'll be unboxing. So let's get my friend Ahmed in here. Ahmed, come in. Let's give him the camera space for a little while.
So please subscribe to my channel,
Meti Plays,
and also subscribe to his channel, which you're watching right now, so you better subscribe.
Yeah, you better subscribe.
Or he's just gonna maybe do something bad to you guys.
Oh, no, wait. Okay, so MacBook, please.
MacBook, Andre.
So here we've got the MacBook Pro. Andre, do me a favour. Hold the camera like that. No, come here.
Do us a favour.
Like that. Yeah. Hold the camera like that. No, yeah, hold it. No, don't flip the cake. Wait. Okay, guys. So let me just gonna take this out, and then we can. Andre, can I hold it? So I want you to hold it like that. Yes.
Okay, guys. So now we're gonna do the unboxing together.
Wow, this is sick. See that, guys? Now, let's just gonna take it out. Here we've got in the box its charger, its cable, and its user manual, which should I check out?
Yeah.
So let's check. A MacBook Pro here, guys. You can see it has welcome to your new Mac. It says everything about it.
Also the stuff which
warranty and stuff, which we won't need. So Andre, please keep the camera facing that way.
Also
we won't need that.
So these
are the chargers. Yes, we won't need that because I know my MacBook because I set it up already, guys, and it has 40. I really have to scratch it. No, my hand. I'm doing it. Okay, so it'll have to. So it has 14% because I set it up this morning, guys. I just couldn't wait because Santa bought me. I'll show you the other presents after. So let's get onto the Mac. So let's move this. Bye. And let's get the Mac. Fresh Mac. Can you hold it like this, Andre? And show it. Let's open it and let's show. Ooh. Look at this. Here it is. Did you guys hear that? It was like, ooh.
That's so sick.
Look, guys. Let me check the screen out.
Smooth.
So let me just put the password. So let's wait for it to boot up. Boots up. And then we'll put the password. So nice. We're in. So let's put in my password. So he's just gonna cover the camera up. No, wrong password.
There we go.
Now in. Okay, so it's just booting up. It's booting my services up. So then we can start. So is everyone excited?
Yeah,
today?
boy.
Why did I open iMessages? Okay. So this is stuff like start. Okay, so this is the new Mac. So can you show it, Andre? This is the new. So let's check out its speakers. In Google Chrome, restore that. No, that's what I call Christmas. Now let's just check out its speakers.
So this is Christmas.
Sheesh, that is loud, isn't it, guys? It is loud as nice, isn't it? So this is how it is. It is loud as hell. Let's just stop that. So you guys, I'll be right back. We're going to do a recording of the screen recording on my iMac. So we'll see you in a minute, and then we'll go back to the camera on my iMac, and we'll do a video of the unboxing of the other presents. So see you in a minute.